Hi everyone, my name is Evans. Today we are going to cover about indices and logarithms. Welcome to the class. So we are going to start with the indices. And indices is basically the power which a number is raised to. For example, if you have 2 raised to power 2, the power here is also called an index. Then this 2 here is called the base. So basically that will be our first assignment of today, indices. And there are laws that govern indices. So you look at them, the laws of indices. The laws of indices. And the first law of index is called the sum of 2 powers. The sum of 2 powers. If you have a number like a raised to power m multiplied by a raised to power n, then the sum power of indices state that since the bases are the same, we are going to add the powers if we are multiplying. So the final solution here becomes a, then we add the power m plus n. This is called the sum power. The sum power of indices. That is our first law of index. Number 2, we have the difference of power. So you have a raised to power m times a raised to power n will be a, here is a divide a raised to power m divide a raised to power n. Here, because the bases are the same, we subtract the powers. So it will be m minus n. This is called the difference. The difference of 2 indices, 2 powers, or 2 indices. So that's our second law of index. Number 3, if you have a raised to power m, then the whole of this number raised to power n, when we combine, it will be a raised to power m n. A raised to power m n. It is called the product of 2 numbers. The product of 2 powers. Then another law of index, number 4, is when you have a number raised to power 0, you're going to have always to be 1. Any number raised to power 0 is usually 1. Number 5, we have a raised to power negative n is the same as saying 1 over a raised to power n. The reciprocal, 1 raised to power n, is called negative indices. Negative indices. Then we have number 6. If we have a raised to power 1 over n, this number raised to power m, it will be the same as saying a raised to power m over n. Here you are multiplying the powers, which will be the same as the nth roots of a, or this number raised to power m. This is called the fraction index. When they are many, they are called indices.